So this is my wind generator that I've made. It's like for research and development, it's not a final one. It's got an 8-foot propeller, it's got a 30mm steel shaft and propellers on the back of it, and as it spins really fast it turns into wind and slows down, and then when it's slowed down it turns back to wind and speeds up again. It's driven with a pulley on front of it like it would be on a car, and it has a pulley on the shaft, and it's driven with a V-belt and it's got a tensioner on it to keep belt tight. That was a good look at it anyway. So like I said, propellers on the back of it, it sticks out a fair way. Using gyroscopic torque, when it reaches a maximum RPM it turns into wind, slows down a little, and then it turns back to get full wind on it, speeds up again. I've got 2-to-1 reduction, so it's twice as big on shaft and smaller on alternator, PMA, to keep more RPM. I've got a big propeller spinning slowly but speeds up with gearing up pulleys. Yeah, you can see tensioner there, how it works. It's got a spring underneath it which puts a bit of tension on the bottom of the belt just to take slack out of it. Big bearings up on top that drive 30mm shaft. Big bearings at bottom that it pivots on. It's all sort of industrial built to last, but it's just for research and development, this one, so I'm learning lots as I'm going along. I'm sure you'll have better ideas which you could think of yourself, but you've got to start somewhere. Yeah, so anyway, that's it working. Wind's just it's going to end at there, and wind's dying off a little bit now, so I'll leave it for now. Problem with a lot of wind generators, they put a propeller on front of what is a converted car alternator, which one never meant to take serious torque or whatever, so it just sort of destroys bearings and everything, because there's only tiny little bearings in there. So I'm just using it like it would be on a car, using a belt, so it's just driving a belt, just turning and not got any stress on it. It should keep good for a long time. It's got faces into wind, so it's got good airflow through it. I've drilled some bigger holes in the back of it for better airflow through it. Not that particular one, the one I reconditioned the other day. Right, so seen enough of that. Hope this helps. If you like that video and it gives you some ideas for making your wind turbines maybe better than this, give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day.